Those who have asked me about the templates that I have created for the workflow automation using n8n, you can simply search for n8n creator and type my name Amjad. I have provided the link also in the description. These are all the workflows which are available. Of course, I'll be uploading more workflows also. One of the most popular workflow which I want to talk about is the AI powered social media content generator. And this is in fact extremely popular. The reason is because it is automatically creating the content based on the input, and then it automatically publishes that to various social media accounts. You can see here that it publishes, I'll just show you here. You can see it publishes on all the social media accounts. And then there are other also, for example, AI powered candidate shortlisting automation. So this is helpful for the recruiters who want to shortlist the candidates. It saves the time from 20 minutes to 10 seconds only. Time saving is one of the major concern of the companies today. And then this is AI powered lead management and inquiry automation with ERP Next. If you are using ERP Next or any other CRM where you are getting the leads from any source and then you want to filter and assign it to appropriate person, so this particular workflow will definitely help. This is again AI powered. Then is create a YouTube metadata which is based on the user inputs, and those who are using Strava, if they want to have a personalized fitness coach, especially for a triathlete. I am a triathlete, so whenever I do any swimming, cycling, running, so I get the email, personalized email that will let me know that how was my activity and so on. This is Proxmox AI agent, which is an AI administration agent. This is also a helpful tool which will help you not only to interact with your Proxmox servers, but it will also help you not only alerts by email. You can get of course the alerts by WhatsApp, by Telegram, and by any other platform that you are interested into. So these are few workflows. Of course, I have added a complete guide also. If you click here on amjadali.com, it will open lms.syncbricks.com. So I have provided step-by-step tutorial here. All the templates are of course available here as well. So these templates will be available for free. If you want to know how to use them, so you will just click on any of the templates. For example, if I click on this social media content generator template, you will see a complete guide here, and that guide will let you know how to get started with it. For example, if I go to YouTube tutorial, so it will help you how to get started. And you can see here that I have added complete playlist of n8n. You can simply click on workflow automation with n8n. So here you can see all the videos are added here, whether you want to get started with it. So in case you don't want to join the Udemy course, which is again structured, and all the videos are also available here. There is some more information, but if you want to get started with it, everything is available here for free. It covers a lot of things related to n8n. So this was all about today's video. So I wanted to let you know that the templates which you are looking for, these templates are available for free on n8n.io. Just search my name n8n creator Amjad and you will land to the page here, the first page. These are all the workflows.